Choosing the right dropshipping tools can save you months of trial and error. In this video, I will walk you through the best platforms to use in 2026, whether you are just starting or ready to scale. Not all dropshipping platforms do the same job. Some help with suppliers, others with branding, automation, or product research. Understanding the difference helps you build a stronger store from day one. First up is Spocket. It is the best choice for sellers targeting US or EU markets who prioritize fast shipping. Spocket connects you with domestic suppliers to shorten delivery times and even supports branded invoicing to keep your brand professional. If you are in the fashion niche, Trendsi is your go-to. It curates apparel and lifestyle products mainly from US distribution points. The best part? There are no monthly subscription fees, and they provide professional product imagery to make your store look amazing. Next is Printify, a flexible print-on-demand network. It connects you with printing partners globally, making it ideal for launching custom merch or niche branding experiments. You get a huge product catalog and the freedom to choose your specific print providers. For those focused on premium branding, Printful is the heavy hitter. They offer tighter quality control and advanced customization, like custom labels and branded packaging. While the costs are slightly higher, the reliability and global fulfillment centers are worth it. Sell the Trend is a research powerhouse. It uses AI to analyze market signals and competitor listings to help you find winning products before they are oversaturated. It is the perfect tool for data-driven sellers who want to avoid trial and error. Eprolo is a fantastic entry point for beginners. It offers sourcing, fulfillment, and branding tools with zero monthly fees. It is an all-in-one platform that includes private labeling options, helping you learn the basics without upfront software costs. Zendrop is built for efficiency and consistency as you scale. It offers powerful automation for fulfillment and fast shipping from domestic warehouses. If you are looking to streamline your operations and reduce manual work, Zendrop's premium tiers are a game changer. CJdropshipping offers incredible supply flexibility. Beyond just products, they provide value-added services like custom packaging and product photography. With their global fulfillment network, they are a versatile partner for stores with diverse product needs. Finally, we have AliExpress. It remains the ultimate entry point for low-cost product validation. With a virtually infinite product range, it is perfect for rapid experimentation to see what sticks before you move to more specialized suppliers. If you are starting out, begin with Eprolo or AliExpress to test ideas. If shipping speed matters, look at Spocket or Trendsi. If branding is your focus, Printify or Printful are strong options. And once you scale, Zendrop's automation can save significant time. You will find the full comparison and links to all platforms in the article below. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more remote business guides.